Ready? Look at all the bird poop.
Wait, look that
Nope,
way.
look. We're going to go that way.
Those doors are closing.
Here we go. What's over there? Oh, here we go.
What?
The dream.
Hold on, please. We are approaching station for all 88.
Good job. Count yourself.
Almost
Exit here for all 88.
Almost there.
Please watch your step.
Hey, Jade. Jade.
What happened?
Can it breathe?
Tracks, train tracks?
They are on
Yeah, that's going that way. It's dark down there.
Almost there.
We're almost there.
there.
That's right.
Yeah.
Good job. Oh, yeah?
The doors are closing.
Okay, now
Please
stay
be
on your
clear
bottom.
and hold on for departure to terminal, ground transportation, and
Here
baggage.
we go. Look, there we go. Train tracks.
Welcome to Denver. This is Mayor Michael Hancock, wishing you and your loved ones a very happy and healthy holiday season and safe travels. Enjoy your time in the Mile High City during this festive time of year.
Almost there. Yeah, almost there.
Hold on, please.
Yeah, it's right here.
Disney.
Ground transportation.
We're here.
Yeah, this part is supposed to be.